This video will show you how to bypass a security system using the Total Connect app. Use the bypass feature when you would like to temporarily disable a specific sensor while being able to arm the security system. For example, arm the security system when you are home and keep a window open for fresh air. To bypass a window sensor, open the window you would like to bypass. When you go to arm the system using the app will identify the open window. Press to arm the system. You will then be asked if you would like to bypass the open sensor. Simply select the sensor to be bypassed. With the window sensor now bypassed, you can arm the security system, and it will now be armed with the sensor bypassed. That's all there is to it. When you disarm the system, the sensor will no longer be bypassed. Please note that sensors for life safety, such as those for smoke and carbon monoxide detection, may not be bypassed.